All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to mix our highlight color. This is going to go inside of our foils, so come on in. All right, so in bowl number 1, we are gonna mix Flash Lift with 10 volume. This is gonna be for her ends formula. We want something gentle. In bowl number 2, we're going to be mixing Flash Lift and 40 volume. This is gonna be for her base where her natural hair color is. We need the most lift out of that. So we are gonna section her out, and the first thing that we're gonna do is place our finger right above the front of the ear, and this is going to be our first foiled section. All right, so we're ready to take our first section, and as you can see, we are going to be taking a diagonal back section. And we're going to be doing a micro weave. This is how you get those baby lights. Teeny tiny little weave. We're going to do our 40 volume first, right here in her new growth. And we just want to feather it in towards the base so you don't hit a harsh line. And then we're going to use the light formula for her ends. And we'll fold over the ends and then over the base. Simple as that. And we'll repeat this all the way up the head. All right, so this section right here is super important because this is going to be our money piece here. This is gonna give her that highlight right around her face, add some drama to the entire thing. And we're just gonna repeat this on the other side. All right guys, so we are ready to mix our balayage formula. This is gonna be the formula for in between the foils, so come on in. All right, so we are gonna be using Flash Lift by Redken, 40 volume developer, and of course, our secret weapon, Balay Powder Balayage Additive. So we're just going to clip this little guy out of the way, and we're going to first start on this little section here. And I'm going to use my Balay Tools chip brush, and we are just going to go ahead and saturate this like we would a regular balayage between the foils. Use a paddle here to saturate the ends. Beautiful. And then for this particular application, I am going to set a foil to protect her skin. Beautiful. And we're just going to repeat this all the way up. All right, so we are ready to work in the nape area. And we are just gonna take a little bit of a zigzag pattern right here at the nape. And this will be our first section. All right, so we are going to paint both the top and the bottom of this section. So we'll start with the bottom. And we're just gonna load the hair first. And then we will blend into it. All right, now we'll work on the top. Same type of concept. Load the hair. All right, and here we have it, guys. This is the spring trend for Balay Powder, a combination of foils and balayage in between. Check that out. It just gives her just the right amount of drama right in front of the face where we need it. Gorgeous, and look at that blend too with the balayage chip brush.